Today I'm going to show you how to use the Chipmunk Magic Easy Flash to read the ROM from a MacBook 12-inch model A1534 from 2016. If you buy the Magic Easy Flash, you get 4 items. The Magic Easy Flash itself is this little board, and it comes with 2 cables. You use whichever one, and it comes with a little DIL adapter which you can use to plug into your programmer. I'm using a BusPirate 4, which basically looks like this. You could theoretically use this cable to connect the wires to the pins here, or if you have a DIL adapter like this, it saves a little bit of work. This plugs into the BusPirate, and the Easy Flash DIL adapter plugs into there. In this case we have to use the black cable, which plugs into the Easy Flash like this, and into the DIL adapter on the other side. On the Easy Flash is an arrow. Depending on the model, the arrow has to point one way or the other. In the MacBook 12-inch, it has to point away from the hinge side, so towards the front of the machine. The MacBook itself I have already opened up. The trackpad is not connected because this cable would be horribly in the way, but you can leave it connected as well. Doesn't really matter. The battery remains connected. This is important. And here is the little plug where the Easy Flash is going to plug into. The cable would be here. So to prevent the BusPirate from flying all over the place, we use something insulating. And we're going to plug this in. You have to be very careful because the motherboard is connected to the battery, so the whole thing is powered. There's a very small connector over there where the Magic Easy Flash plugs into, and you have to plug it in very carefully because the board is powered. Once you plug it in, you see the little blue light come on, and it's ready for use. Now we go over to our computer. So this first thing, I'm going to ask the BusPirate if it's actually seeing a ROM chip. And it says yes, it is seeing a ROM chip. So now we can choose the appropriate model. It says it's seeing 3 different ROM chips, but it cannot tell them apart. It doesn't really matter which one you pick, but in this case it's the third option, the MX25L6473E. So we copy that. And we're going to read the ROM chip into some appropriate file. Change the name so that we know we're reading a new one. Hopla, there we go. And off it is reading the ROM chip. On the Magic Easy Flash, you now also see the red light blinking, showing that the ROM is being accessed and there is communication happening. This takes a few minutes while the ROM is being read. We have tested the Magic Easy Flash with the BusPirate 4, which is a very nice ROM programmer. It is not the fastest one around, but it works very well. We do recommend it. A very big difference between the Magic Easy Flash and the normal Easy Flash is that for the Magic Easy Flash to work, you just have to plug it in like I just showed you. With the normal Easy Flash, i.e. the non-magic one, you have to do some complicated ritual on the MacBook because you have to power the ROM chip, but you have to make sure that the Mac itself is not speaking to the ROM chip. If you just plug it in and have the Mac be on, then you're connecting to the pins of the ROM chip, but the PCH is interfering with you actually reading and writing from the ROM chip. The Magic Easy Flash, however, does some magic, thereby eliminating the big mess, and all you have to do is plug it in and you can just read and write. It automatically shuts the machine up. If the MacBook was turned on when you plug in the Magic Easy Flash, you would see that it will immediately switch itself off, for example. Okay, it's done reading, so now we can see what the file looks like that we got. A 1534-new. Throw it on our hex editor, and you can see this looks pretty good. And as you can see, it read the machine. If you'd want to write the ROM back after editing, you just do the same thing again. You just edit your file, use Flash ROM to zap it back into the ROM in exactly the same way. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something.